Hi, it's Lydia. I want to make sure that you know about the class coming up because everyone that attends can get free brochures and samples. Avon is giving out free sales tools, so you're going to want to make sure you get yours. The class itself is super helpful. They're going to show you around the site, get you all set up, and it's quick. It's only 30 minutes. And if you can't watch during the live broadcast, that's okay too, because there'll be a replay available for 24 hours. So how do you get the kit? Let me give you all the details. So during the call, there's going to be a box that shows on the screen, and it's going to say free Smart Start Kit. Those are the brochures and samples we're talking about. You're going to click on the box right on the screen, whether it's live or replay, and it's going to pull up a form. And that form's going to ask you for your account information and for a code. Now, the code is something they're going to say during the broadcast. So listen up, and you'll enter it there and you'll submit it. That form is how Avon knows you watched and attended. So you want to make sure you get that piece done. Now, for everyone who does that, then Avon is going to load those free books and samples into your cart on avon.com. Then when you go in and you place your order, they're going to ship together. Now, you don't have to place an order that same day. As long as you place your order within 2 campaigns of the call, that will ship with it. And as long as you're within your first 8 campaigns with Avon, which is about 4 months, then you are eligible. Okay? Let me know how it goes.